Okay, this is my 2013 bike check. I have the Colt Chase Hawk bad boy frame. I have profile cranks, demolition pedals, Colt OS sprocket, spline drive, KMC chain, Colt match back rim laced with a Madeira hub, an Odyssey 8-kin seat with a kink post, Shadow Voltas bars with ODI XL long neck grips. I have Odyssey parins. I have the Colt Salvation top load stem. I have Colt OS V3 forks. I have an Animal bottom bracket, a Stolen headset, and a Primo complete front wheel with my Colt pegs and my 2 Demolition Momentum tires.